Hello students, today in the second chapter of physical education we'll see about Paralympic Games. Paralympic Games are major international multi-sport events for the athletes with various disabilities such as athletes with mobility disabilities, amputations, blindness and cerebral palsy. Paralympic Games are held at an interval of every 4 years following the Olympic Games. These games are governed by the International Paralympic Committee. The first Paralympic Games were held in Rome in 1960. However, the Paralympic word was used officially in 1988 Summer Olympic Games, which were held in Seoul. These were Summer Paralympic Games. The first Winter Paralympic Games were held in 1976 in Sweden. The Winter Paralympic Games are also held after every 4 years. Now we have to see like Summer Paralympic Games and Winter Paralympic Games. Both the Paralympics are organized every after 4 years. First Paralympic Games were held in Rome in 1960. Okay, just remember this. And the first Winter Paralympic Games were held in 1976. Now the opening ceremony. The opening ceremony begins with the hosting of the host country's flag and rendition of its national anthem. After the national anthem, the athletes come from march past into the stadium, grouped according to their nations. All the nations enter the stadium alphabetically according to the host country's chosen language. However, the host country's athletes enter last into the stadium. After that, host nation presents its culture in the form of music, dance and singing, etc. Then the formal opening of the games is announced. At last, Paralympic torch is brought into the stadium and passed on until it reaches to the final torch bearer, who finally lights the Paralympic flame. So this way the opening ceremony is done, and we'll see afterwards the events. They have several events for all the athletes and the other players for other sports and games. After that, closing ceremony. After the conclusion of all the sports events, the closing ceremony begins. Flag bearers from each participating country enter the stadium, followed by the athletes who enter together without any national distinction. The Paralympic flag is taken down, the games are officially closed, and the Paralympic flame is extinguished. So this way the closing ceremony is done. And the role of International Paralympic Committee. What is the role of that committee? We'll see. It is a global governing body of the Paralympic movement. The International Paralympic Committee organizes the Summer and Winter Paralympic Games. It also serves as International Federation for 9 sports, for which it supervises and coordinates the World Championship and other competitions also. Its vision is to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire and excite the world. I'll repeat the vision: to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire and excite the world. It was established in Düsseldorf on 22nd September 1989. So this committee, International Paralympic Committee, was established on 22nd September 1989. The headquarters is in Bonn, Germany. Its main aim is to develop sports opportunities for all the people with an impairment from the beginner to the elite level. And the awards. After every event of Paralympics, Medals are presented to the winners as awards. The competitors or teams that secure first, second, and third positions stand up at victory podium. They are awarded the medals. After giving away the medals, national flags of the three countries are unfurled and hoisted. The tune of the national song of the gold medal winning country is played. So this way the award ceremony is getting conducted during Paralympics. The motto of Paralympic, Spirit in Motion. The Paralympic motto is Spirit in Motion. The motto was introduced in 2004 at the Paralympic Games in Athens. So prior to this Olympics, the motto of Paralympics was Mind, Body and Spirit. So before 2004, the motto was Mind, Body and Spirit, and in 2004 the motto was decided, and the motto of Paralympic is Spirit in Motion. Categories of disability. So when the athletes or the other sportsmen, when they participate, so there are some categories made. So the International Paralympic Committee has established 10 disability categories, including physical, visual and intellectual impairment. Remember, physical, visual and intellectual impairment. Athletes with one of these disabilities can participate in the Paralympic Games, though not every sport can allow for every disability category. So the categories are in such a way, the disabilities and the sports, they are already designed. So the competitors, the players can participate. Physical impairment or disability includes impaired muscle power, impaired passive range of movement, loss of limb, leg length difference, short stature, etc. So visual impairment includes impairment of one or more component of visual system, that is one eye or both the eyes. So that way they decide. Intellectual disability includes the significant impairment of intellectual functioning. The International Paralympic Committee mainly serves athletes with physical and visual disabilities, whereas intellectual disability has been added to some Paralympic Games. The International Paralympic Committee mainly serves athletes. Okay, the mainly serves athletes with physical and visual disabilities, whereas intellectual disability has been added to some Paralympic Games, some other games are there. Now we'll see what games are there, which place and which year these Paralympics were held. Okay, year and venues of Paralympics held. 1960 Rome, 1964 after 4 years Tokyo, 1968 Tel Aviv, 1972 Edinburgh, 1976 Toronto, 1980 Arnhem, 1984 New York, 1988 Seoul, 1992 Barcelona, 1996 Atlanta, 2000 Sydney, 2004 Athens, 2008 Beijing, 2012 London, 2016 Rio de Janeiro, 2020 Tokyo. But because of Corona, the schedule of Olympics got cancelled. Otherwise, in 2020 it was decided to hold this Paralympics in Tokyo. 2024 Paris, it is scheduled. We'll see. 2028 Los Angeles, that is also scheduled. Okay, this is the schedule given. There are 22 sports at the Summer Paralympics and 6 at the Winter Paralympics. The sports for summer and winter are stated given below. We'll see Summer Paralympics first. Okay, archery, athletics, then cycling. I don't know what is Bosic. That game I don't know. Equestrian, football, 5 aside, goalball, judo, para badminton, para canoeing, para triathlon, para taekwondo, rowing, shooting, powerlifting, sitting volleyball, swimming, table tennis, wheelchair basketball, wheelchair fencing, wheelchair rugby, wheelchair tennis. These many games are given. There are total 22 sports. Okay, and for Winter Paralympics, biathlon, ice hockey, cross country skiing, alpine skiing, snowboarding, wheelchair curling. These are the winter games. Special Olympics. Now, Special Olympics were started by Eunice Kennedy Shriver. She was sister of John F. Kennedy, the former president of USA. In fact, she believed that with equal opportunities and experiences as anyone else, people with special needs could compete far more than even thought possible. She was convinced that children with intellectual disabilities could be exceptional athletes or sportsperson, and that through sports they can realize their potential for growth and development. So the children with intellectual disabilities could be exceptional, what she said, okay, in the sports. Keeping this in mind, she started a day camp for children with intellectual disabilities at her home. She invested a lot of efforts to start these games. Owing to her efforts, the first Special Olympics were held in July 1968 in Chicago. After 1,000 athletes from USA and Canada participated in one-day event, which was a joint venture by Kennedy Foundation and Chicago Park District. In 1971, US Olympic Committee gave the Special Olympics official approval to use the name Olympics. Till then, it was not official. France sent the first set of athletes from outside North America to the second games held in 1970. In 1972 games, 10 nations sent their athletes. The United Nations declared 1986 as the year of Special Olympics. In 1988, the Special Olympics were officially organized by International Olympic Committee. That is 1988. Okay. So when we discuss about the first Paralympic Games at the same time, this also we can remember that 1988 the Special Olympics were officially organized. In 2003 Special Olympics, approximately 7,000 athletes from 150 nations participated in 18 disciplines. So almost 18 different types of sports and games. 7,000 athletes participated from 150 countries in 2003. So that's a great number. If we see the symbol of Special Olympics, the Special Olympics logo is based on the sculpture Joy and Happiness to All the Children of the World. The logo is a symbol of growth, confidence, joy among children and adults with disabilities who are learning coordination, mastering skills, participating in competitions and preparing themselves for richer and more productive lives. Okay, so this way the symbol is prepared. Special Olympic flame, the flame of hope, that the title is given to that Olympic flame. The flame of hope is the name given to the torch that is carried to and lit at Special Olympic Games. Year and venue of Special Olympics, that is summer, held so far. So we'll see the years. 1968 Chicago, 1970 Chicago, 1972 Los Angeles, 1975 Mount Pleasant, 1979 Brockport, 1983 Baton Rouge, 1987 Notre Dame and South Bend, 1991 Minneapolis and St. Paul, 1995 New Haven, 1999 Chapel Hill, Durham and Raleigh, 2003, Dublin 2007, Shanghai 2011, Athens 2015, Los Angeles 2019, Abu Dhabi 2023, Berlin, that is scheduled 2023, that is scheduled Berlin. Then the following games and sports are included in Special Olympics: athletes, track and field, badminton, basketball, bowling, cricket, cycling, and so many games are there. Football, golf, if you see, judo, kayaking, netball. But this is what, okay, floorball, that's new for us. Figure skating, floor hockey, snowboarding, softball, okay, triathlon, tennis, table tennis, volleyball. So these many games are there for winter. In our next class, we'll go through the following points: Olympic symbol, ideals, objectives and values of Olympism, International Olympic Committee, okay, and Indian Olympic Association. And afterwards our chapter will get over. So this second chapter is a bit vast because the content is a bit lengthy and much more information is added into this second chapter. I request you people just go through the book, or the slides which I have shown, that is from the book only. So you people can go through that slides once or twice, okay. This video is hardly of 17 to 18 minutes. So if you go twice or thrice, okay, so the second this chapter, like many more things you will understand from this. So in second chapter there will be almost four videos, okay. So if you go through that all 4 videos, you will come to know what exactly the second chapter has about Olympics, okay. Olympics, then Paralympics, Special Olympics, and about International Olympic Committee and Indian Olympic Association, their symbols, ideals, objectives, values, everything will be covered in the second chapter. So I request you people, just go through it. If you don't understand, again and again, just go through the video, go through the book, okay, you'll come to know. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Thank you.